Welcome to the Kyber Lab, episode 3. In this episode, we're going to look at a Bossk and Grief versus a General Grievous team. Kyber Lab is focused on a particular matchup where we look at how to minimize mistakes, maximize banners, and remove RNG wherever possible from the match. In 3v3, it's a little bit different because there are some matches, and I'll mention it in this one, where you can bring a third character that's sort of flexible. So in this case, against General Grievous, having Bossk and Grief are the key. Many people bring the Mandalorian, but you can also bring Boba or Django or Embo, any character that has high direct damage DPS. Even Zam I have seen work, but much less reliably, mostly because most people don't have Relic Zam. Anyway, the goal here is 53 plus, 54 is pretty easy. Bossk should be GG's Relic level. Grief about half of Bossk's and built tankily with the correct speed, obviously. Although the speed order does not matter as much in this matchup. It's not like in 5v5. And then potency on GG, where he has less health, makes this easier. Lots of people mod their GG for potency because of the CLS counter. No real speed orders, and let's see how it plays out. So we can see beginning, there's no bloody, you cannot attack the target for Bossk's contract. Triggered, B2 is unique. Now we go straight after him, no reason to taunt. In this particular case, you really should save the heal and the taunt until your DPS has been hit. So you can see there's not a lot of damage going around. Here, use the assist to remove the taunt from B1, or from Magna, I'm sorry. And now taunt from Bossk wasn't really needed, but not a bad choice. Really just going for the contract. Daze is convenient on Magna. You can see how tanky Grief is. In this case, in this fight, I believe Boba is Relic 7. I'm not sure that Grief is. But keep that in mind when you see the health that Boba drops down to. So everything is just fine here. I think the heal is, again, I would have saved Grief's heal a bit. No reason to use a mass assist now. He's going for it, doesn't really hurt. Okay, now he's the weakest. There goes the contract. Here you have to be a bit careful because I'm going to pause for a moment. You want to be careful about killing 2 droids in a turn when GG will take 2 bonus turns. However, this is a great time to kill a droid because GG is about to take a turn. So he's going to take his turn anyway. Give him 100% TM, no problem. Excellent. And it just so happens he gets 2 turns. Not optimal, but as you can see, their health is rather fine. Nobody's in danger. Only 1 target. Boba has Bounty Hunter's Resolve. And here you would be able to execute with the Mandalorian. So perfect time to taunt right now. But there's really no need to have the Mandalorian in these matchups. As long as your DPS Bounty Hunter is decently sturdy, which means Relic levels usually, it's a pretty easy matchup. You can save the Mandalorian for an Aura lead or something like that. And there we go, 53 banners. Nothing special. There's almost no RNG impact. Just save your taunt and heal. And it's an easy team against GG, which can be dangerous a bit. Not so much now, but still there's some risk there. You have to use a correct team. And your third member is very flexible. Hope that helped. Cheers.